what's the name? Mono. I don't know how to say the last part.
Okay, so what did we learn about today?
Mono.
Something with mono.
Monosaccharide.
Battery joy.
Mono what?
Saccharide.
Monosaccharides?
Yeah, there you go.
Can you guys see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can see it? All right, so we learned about monosaccharides. Okay, monosaccharides, all right. So let me put that on here. So we learned about monosaccharides. All right, what else did we talk about? Miguel, what did we learn? What else did we learn about?
Carbohydrate.
Okay, good. We learned about carbohydrate. That's the big concept. Carbohydrates. That's the big concept. Very good. Okay, so we learned about carbohydrates. Okay, what did you learn about carbohydrates, Sebastian?
That our cells use them to make energy.
Good, good, good. So they're required to make energy. In terms of their structure, though, what did you learn about them?
They have a hexagon shape.
Not all of them. What are they? What are carbohydrates? What are they?
Sugar.
Sugar, very good. Sugar what? Carbohydrates are sugar what?
Sugar molecules.
Very good. Sugar molecules, very good. Molecules. All right, so that is good right there, right? So there's sugar molecules. What did we learn about what did we learn about molecules? What are molecules made out of, Giselle?
Made out of.
What are molecules made out of?
I don't.
You got cut off. What are they? What are they made out of? What are molecules made out of, Giselle?
Cells.
No, molecules are not made out of cells, girlfriend.
Molecules are made out of atoms.
Very
good.
I
said atoms.
I know, but you got cut off. I couldn't hear you. So what atoms do we need to build sugar molecules?
Hydrogen.
You need
carbon,
hydrogen, and oxygen.
Okay, so Sebastian knows. Okay, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Good. So we need carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Good. Okay. So in other words, okay, think of it like this as well. Okay. So there's certain atoms that we can put together to form sugar molecules called carbohydrates. So that's another way of looking at it, okay? Now, what else did we learn about carbohydrates besides the fact that they're sugar molecules and they're made out of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms? What else did we learn about carbohydrates?
They all have 6 carbon and 6 oxygen.
Ooh, close, but
not all of them.
Not all of them do, but they all have a what?
A hydrogen.
Well, we already talked about that.
They have a 1 to 2 to 1 ratio.
Okay, so there's something. Yeah, there's a ratio thing going on. Good, yeah. So there's that 1 to 1 ratio. Very good. And then there's one more thing, Giselle. Do you remember what it was?
The ring.
The ring. Very good. Very good. Excellent job. So all sugar molecules, okay, have these 3 properties. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so keep that in mind, okay, as we're talking about this. All right. Now let me go ahead and show you some examples. Okay, of some molecules here. So the first one, I'm going to go with Giselle on. So, Giselle.
Yes.
Okay, is this a carbohydrate?
No.
Why not?
Because it doesn't have all the other atoms and it's not formed the same way.
Okay, what atom is it missing?
The hydrogen atom and the
Missing
OH.
hydrogen?
Oh no, the oxygen atoms.
Good, it's missing, good. What color was oxygen?
It's
What color is oxygen?
red.
Very good, it's missing oxygen, very good, it's red, exactly, right? So that's why, not a carb, very good, excellent. All right, now let's go to the next one. Let's go with Miguel on this one. Miguel,
Yeah.
carbohydrate, yes or no, Miguel?
No.
Why not?
It doesn't have hydrogen. It's not in a ring shape.
Good, so no hydrogen. Good, no hydrogen, which means not a carb. Very good. Excellent. And then obviously no ring. But what is the name of this molecule, Miguel?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. Carbon dioxide. Whoops, carbon dioxide. It's not a carbohydrate. Very good. CO2. Now, Miguel, is this carbon dioxide molecule an amino acid?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
Oh, Sebastian, is carbon dioxide an amino acid?
No, because it doesn't have its amino group, its carboxyl group, or an R group.
Very good. It doesn't have any of those things that we look for. Okay, now, how about this molecule here? Okay, let's go with, all right, so how about this molecule right there? Mateo, carbohydrate,
Yeah.
yes or no? What do you think?
I'd say no, because when it does have the right atoms, but it does not have a ring.
It doesn't, all right, so good. Carb no, because
No ring.
no ring. Very good. Good job. And what else?
The number of hydrogen atoms is not more than the oxygen or carbon, and there's only one carbon instead of 3.
Okay, so so it has how many carbons?
1.
So if it has one carbon, how many oxygens should it have?
1.
And how many does it have?
3.
Very good. See that? And then it has 2 hydrogens. So it doesn't have that ratio of 1:2 to 1, right? Okay, so so very good. It's not a carbohydrate. Excellent job. Okay, how about this one? Giselle. Carbohydrate, yes or no?
No,
Why not?
because it has a nitrogen atom.
Not a carb. Very good. That was easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, that right there, the blue, nitrogen. Carbohydrates do not have nitrogen. Excellent job. What is this molecule?
It's the glycine, I think.
It is
An amino
glycine.
acid.
Good. And it's an amino acid. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. It's an amino acid. Excellent job. See, you guys are learning. You guys are almost ready to talk biology. Now, how about this? Is this a carbohydrate?
Yes.
All right. So,
Yeah.
okay, now, okay, let's see why it is. So, why do you guys say it's a carbohydrate?
It's in a ring
Has a
shape and
ring.
it has all the atoms.
Good. So, it has the ring. Very good. So, here's our ring, right? Okay. It has the atoms, which are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Good. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Now, does it have the ratio?
Yes.
Right? How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. How many oxygens?
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So see, same amount, 1 to 1, right? That's what 1 to 1 ratio means. It's the same amount. And if we count all the hydrogens, Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one height, no, 4,
12.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and there's one hiding back here. So there are 12 hydrogens. Okay, look at the formula, C6H12O6. What is the name of this molecule?
Glucose.
Glucose, very good. See that, guys? Okay, so you guys are learning a couple things. Okay, that's good. Now, let me leave you with this. So, you guys have learned a lot, okay, in a short period of time, so I'm proud of you guys. But now let's put a lot of things together here. So I'm going to put a bunch of molecules here. All right, here we go. Check it out. Okay, now, all these molecules, why are we studying molecules, by the way? Why are we studying molecules?
Because we didn't understand it the first semester of school.
Say that again?
Because we didn't understand it the first semester of school.
Right, yes, right. But why are we studying it? Why is Mr. Rodriguez teaching you this?
They're models of real life things.
Very good, yes. But what do scientists do?
Make
They
connections.
study the natural world.
Very good. They study the natural world, right? Natural world, right? And what's the natural world made out of?
Relationships.
No, 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 no. What's the
Molecules.
natural world made out of?
Molecules.
Cells.
Ready?
Matter.
Matter. What's matter made out of?
Living and non-living things.
Non-living and non-living things, but matter is made out of the natural world is made out of these things. What are these things?
Molecules.
Molecules, exactly, right? So the natural world, okay, is made up of all these guys. And so in order for us to study science and study those relationships, okay, like Giselle said, okay, we need to understand these molecules. Okay, you guys should probably already know a couple things. Okay, who makes this? Who makes that?
Isn't that?
Wait, what'd you say?
Who makes this molecule right here that I circled?
The world. Tree.
The world? Actually, no, not the trees, not the specific living matter make these. What living matter makes this?
Us.
You, exactly. You make this. Very good. Who makes this guy? Glucose.
Plants.
Very good. Who consumes glucose?
Us.
You.
That's right, us. That's right. Except for some people, they don't want to eat glucose because they don't want to get fat. How about this guy? Who makes this?
What was it?
I'll give you a hint. Starts with you. Okay? And who needs these molecules right here? These amino acids?
We did.
All living things.
All of it.
All living things need these guys because they're going to use these things to make
build
these things called
protein.
proteins. That's right. Proteins. That's why they need these little building blocks. Okay, so ultimately you guys have learned a lot. I'm proud of you guys. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, good job.